I would say because they do their job 100% perfect. If my experience with something, they don't need to worry about the truck breaking down because they give you like warranty and the pieces that they put. So we've been a year and something with this truck, and like nothing bad we've been investing in this truck, like transmission or something like that. No, that's what I like about this truck. So, and everything comes new, so we don't need to worry about changing. Maybe the flat grill, maybe because we use it 24/7, like I say, sometimes they get a little bit problems, but they are there to fix it, and it's not like major things. It's fixable.